Hi and welcome to KeyShotVR Options and Output. There are two ways to access the KeyShotVR render options. The first is to go through the KeyShotVR wizard until you reach the Render Output dialog and click on Render Settings. You can also access this by clicking on the Render button in the toolbar and selecting KeyShotVR. This window provides the same parameters as the wizard plus more. Here, you can set custom angle controls. If you would like to achieve a full 360-degree tumble, like seen here, set your vertical angle begin to 0 and vertical angle end to 360. The image quality slider is a simple tool to help increase workflow efficiency. Lower this parameter to decrease render times. Click Preview to render a single frame and make sure the quality level is acceptable. The Advanced drop-down menu provides additional options such as adding a play button. This makes the VR inactive until the button is clicked. Rotation damping is essentially the amount of time the product will rotate after the mouse button is released. Here is an example of a low rotation damping value. And here is an example of a high rotation damping value. The mouse sensitivity slider adjusts the amount of movement in relation to the length of time the mouse button is depressed. A lower value will require the user to hold down the mouse longer. Enabling zoom in and zoom out gives the viewer the ability to use the mouse scroll wheel to do just that. This dialog also allows the user to choose render mode and advanced control quality settings, just like you would do with a still rendering or animation. When the preferred parameters are set, send it off to render.